How to remove items from home screen. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now you can see different items or different applications that are available on your home screen. Now to remove these items or these applications, you can do simple step, which is to make a long press on the application. For example, I'm going to use that for Snapchat over here. Make a long press and then you can just tap and drag it to the minus sign at the above, and there you go, your item has been removed from your home screen. Now there are a lot of times when different widgets are available over here. So for example, if I want to add a weather, okay, I've added it. Now if I want to remove that from my home screen, what I'm gonna do is just tap on this icon and then tap on remove, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.